Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn EVS first class, EVS second lesson. That is the food we eat. The lesson is about the food we eat. In the previous class, we have already discussed about the first lesson, our wonderful body. That is my body and the body parts. So the first lesson we have completed and the grammar part and the question answers we have completed in the previous class. In this class we are going to learn about the food we eat. All of you open your textbooks. Page number EVS, the page number is 167. This page we can see in our textbooks 167. 167. So, the food we eat. So, what is the lesson of the food we eat? Oh, I am feeling so hungry. So, what should I do now? What should I do now? Yes, let us have something to eat. Anything you can eat. Not the junk food, some healthy food. Anything. What should I eat now? Yes, I will eat the fruits. Oh, that is fruits are very good, very better. Much more better than the junk food, the biscuits and the chocolates, the toffees. So when you are feeling more hungry, obviously what will you do? Yes, we'll go and ask our mother and we'll have some snacks. Suppose if it is a meals time, we'll go and have our lunch or anything, all the meals we'll eat. Otherwise, we'll have something to eat. Oh, we are feeling hungry now? Yes, that is our lesson, the food we eat. So what is the food we eat? Why we are eating the food? Yes, because we are feeling hungry. So when we feel hungry, we used to eat something. That is the food. The food must be healthy food. What we eat, that food must be very healthy. So why should we eat the food? Okay, if we are feeling hungry means we are eating the food. Why should we eat the food? What is the purpose of food? Suppose if we don't eat the food, what will happen? That is very dangerous, children. If we don't eat the food, so we may fall sick. We may get the diseases and we will faint somewhere. So should not neglect our hunger. So whenever we used to feel hungry, we have to eat the food. Let us have this now. Let us now have the look about this. So food. Why should we eat the food, children? Why we have to eat the food? Yes, food gives us energy. If we eat the food, food helps us to grow. So did you notice, children? When you are small babies, when you are newborn babies, so your mother used to feed you the milk. After that, she used to feed you the Cerelac, another Farex, so another food they used to keep. After that some idli, after that she used to, so some little she used to keep for you, keeping going on feeding you. So from your small babies to now you are looking young ones. So now how you are? You are second class now, you are grown up children. So how happened all these? So how you changed from small babies to a young ones? How you changed? So before you are infants, small, you are crawling. After that now, you have grown up to such a big children. You are grown up children now. Now you are in second standard. So how did you grow? What is this magic? What did mama keep for you? Mama, what did she feed you? Yes. So food. Each and every living organism will have the food. Because the living organisms will have the hungry, the feelings. So food is must and should. So we are feeling hungry in our tummy. So our tummy will say, oh, the meal time started means, mama, so hungry, I am feeling so hungry, give me some food, give me some snacks. So without asking mother only, we'll go and have something, we'll go and search in the kitchen and we'll have some. Any biscuits or chocolates or whatever will be there, we used to feed them. So like this only, so food helps us to grow step by step. So when you are in second standard, you are this much of height. After that then you will go to slowly you are growing. 3rd class, 4th class, 5th class. When you comes to 10th standard, you are so big. So your size will be up to this. So you are a grown-up children. So like this you are growing. How you are growing? How this magic happens? Because of food. Yes. Food helps us to grow. Another one. Food helps us to get you the energy. Food helps us to strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. If you don't eat the food, did you get energy? You have to do so much wonderful things. Morning to evening, so many actions we are doing. So early morning when we wake up, brushing, eating, jumping, playing, running, here doing, jumping on the bed. So here you are running, you are playing with your friends, writing, reading, watching TV. So all the things you are doing. So from morning to evening. So how many activities we have to do? More work is there. So one full day we are getting means, so most of the activities we will do. In the school, how much work we are doing? We are answering the Telugu questions, we are giving answers to Hindi madam, again Telugu period will, English period will come, English ma'am will come, Maths madam will come, she will give the more problems for you. You have to do the math problems, we have to answer the EVS questions. So many things we have to do, a lot of things. So how much work we are doing? So we are getting very tired. Suppose if you don't eat the food, how could we do? Yes, this all will happens when you eat food. So food gives us energy, strong, and so energy will get from the food and will become healthy also. So we have to eat the healthy food, the hygienic food, the clean food, the fresh food. So then only we are strong and healthy. And another one is food gives us energy to work and play. So how much we are working, how much we are playing there. So all the so much activities we have to do morning to evening. So all these activities we are going to do because of food. So food gives us energy to work and play. So this is the advantages of food. So children, will you eat the food? Yes, definitely. So don't irritate your mother and everybody have your nice and healthy food. Now we will eat, we have a different kinds of food. You know, we have so many kinds of food, so many varieties of food to eat. Do you know what are these varieties? Yes, let us see the textbook now. Page number 168. Here we can see the different kinds of food. Same food if you eat means boring. Mama, oh, same morning we are eating the same food, afternoon the same vegetable. No, Mama, I can't eat this one, boring food, Mama. So, Mama, what she will do? She will prepare a different food for you. So, all the different things she will take and she will prepare a different food for you. Let us see here, what are the different foods we have? Yes, the first plate here we can see. What are the things we can see? Milk. Yes, very most important this is. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses. These 4 items help us to grow. So we are growing. So slowly we are increasing our height. So how we are increasing our height? How we are growing? Growing taller and taller. So these all happens because of these food items. What are these? The first one is important one, milk. You have to drink the milk morning and evening. So anything you can mix in that. So anyhow in the market so many drinks are available for us. For example, there are Complan, Horlicks, Boost, Bonvita, something. So all this etc. So all this one you can mix in that and we can make more tasty and we have to drink the milk. So milk is having a calcium. It helps us to get the bones strong. So if we want the bones very much strong bones, so we have to drink the milk, children. So milk is the most important one. And another one is fish. Fish is also very most important. So once in a week or twice in a week we can eat the fish. And eggs. Eggs regularly we have to eat, children. So eggs is a very important food. So along with the milk we have to eat the egg also daily. Regular eating of egg also is very good to our health. So doctors advise also every day regularly you have to eat a egg and a milk also. Milk and egg are the both best friends. So they'll give us a nice energy for you. You'll get a good energy because of this. So everybody you can eat the eggs regularly. And the another one is pulses. You know that most pulses? So mummy used to make the pulses. Bengal gram, dals will be there. So if you go to the kitchen, there we can see so many jars will be there, in that mummy used to keep the pulses. So that pulses also very much important. So along with the curries, along with the fish and milk and these all, so pulses is also very important for you. So eating all these four things, it helps to grow for your body. Do you know another one is secret? See, listen. Another one is here in the basket, what we can see? Yes, the fresh fruits and vegetables. So what is the use of fruits and vegetables? So daily in our vegetable mummy when used to prepare the curries for you, she'll bring the vegetables from the market. The most fresh vegetables are available nowadays in the market. So and the fruits too. The fresh fruits and the vegetables. Vegetables means we have to cook and eat. Because they are the raw vegetables we can't able to eat. Fruits means we can. Directly we can wash the vegetables. We can wash the fruits and then we can have that. So the fruits and vegetables, they help us to keep us healthy. So eating of regular fruits and vegetables, it helps our body to keep healthy. So when we are healthy, no diseases will attack us. The fruits and vegetables, they will go inside our body and fight with the germs. The bad bacteria they will kill and they will give energy and they will keep our body very healthy. So fruits and vegetables, they keep our body healthy. So you have to eat a healthy food. Regular daily you have to eat at least 1 or 2 fruits. So minimum 1 fruit and maximum 1 or 2 fruits. So 2 or 3 fruits also you can eat. So regular eating of fruits also a very good habit. So come to the next children. Here we have in this plate, see. Here we can see the most important things. Rice, sugar, butter, chapati and bread. So these are the important things. Rice, these are rice. Regularly we are eating the rice. Sugar, along with this sugar also we are having. Some percent of sugar will go into our body. Butter also very important for us. And the chapati and bread slices also. So we are eating bread slices, we are applying the morning times, the breakfast we used to have. The bread slices will keep applying the jam. So and we have a breakfast. So like this, chapati also we will have in a night times also we can eat the chapati. That is also very good for our health. So regularly the rice and chapati, bread, all these things, they are very important and they will give us energy to us. They will give our body energy. So what is the energy? If it is there in our body, then only we can do the work. Mummy also, she has to eat. Our mother and father also they used to have. Why? Because they want to work. So father is going to office and they are working for us. Mother full day she used to work in the kitchen. So how much she is? So she has to eat more. She has to eat a lot. So then only she also will get the energy. So all these things we also have to eat. Then only we have the energy to do all the working. All the works we can finish. So all the things what morning to evening we are doing the activities in our daily routine life. So all this will fill up with this food items only. So these are the different kinds of food we have. So one more time we can repeat here children. Milk, fish, eggs and pulses help us to grow. So slowly we are growing. Fresh fruits and vegetables will make us healthy. And the rice, sugar, butter, chapati and bread, they gives us energy. These are the different kinds of food. So all these food, so we are discussing about only food. So where do we are getting this food? Where does this food will comes from? How we are getting these fruits, vegetables fruits, vegetables, all we must eat. Okay, from where this all coming? Where do you have to get? The supermarket? No children, in the supermarket also they have to get. Yes, if we go to the market only we will get the vegetables and all. So we can't say this answer. Where does these all things we are getting from? So we are not getting from the market. So from the market, there in the market also they have to come from any other outside. So where is it coming from again? Yes, these all comes from the best friend of us. That is the plants and animals. Yes, so plants and animals, these are the most important best friends in our life. So without these plants and animals we can't imagine our life, because we are completely depending on the plants and animals. How we are depending? Let us see here. The things what we are eating, let us see where they are coming from. Milk, that is coming from an animal. Yes, cow gives us the milk. Buffaloes will give the milk. Goats, so that is from, milk is coming from an animal. Fish, fish is obviously an animal. Eggs, where does the eggs are coming from? Yes, that one also a bird. Hen, hen will give the eggs. And the pulses, the urad dal, moong dal, chana dal, the bengal gram, so the green gram, all these pulses. So all these dals and pulses, where do we are getting? All these are coming from the plants. Yes, the small plants. All the pulses we are getting from the plants. Fruits, vegetables. Yes, fruits and vegetables also we are getting from the plants. Fruits will have the big trees, and the vegetables are the small plants. So fruits and vegetables also coming from the plants only. If there is no plants, we never get the food. No fruits, no vegetables. Everybody we are depending on the plants only. Rice plant, you know that. So the farmers, they used to keep the rice fields. They are growing in the fields, crops. So because of the farmers only we are getting the rice. And the sugar cane, that is also a plant. So sugar cane also comes from the plant. Butter, this is a milk product. Wait, let us go to the milk product, another one. So here we can see chapati. Wheat. Chapati means chapati flour, that wheat flour. The wheat. So from the wheat plant, that is a rice plant like that only, there also have a wheat plant. So from the wheat plant only we are getting the flour. So the wheats they used to keep in the machines and they will make up the powder. So the flour will get. So the wheat flour only we are making as the chapatis. Roti, chapati, all this, puri. So everything is coming from the wheat flour. So that is also a plant. Bread also a plant. So all these things we are getting from the plants. Do you know the milk products? Only the milk products, there are so many milk products. For example, ice cream, butter, ghee, cheese, curd. So all these, what are these all? Milk products, they are coming from the milk. So the milk, from the milk only, so the curd will come. If you from the curd only we will get the buttermilk. From the buttermilk only we will get the butter. So the butter again we used to keep on the stove. Again if you melt it means you get the cheese and the ghee, and then it will come prepared as ghee. So with the milk only we can prepare the ice cream. So ice creams, butter, ghee, cheese, all these are milk products. They all are coming from the animals. Without cows, without animals, can we get the milk? No. So like this, so the human lives are completely depending on the plants and animals for our food. So here, up to here we can, I hope all of you understood the lesson up to here, children.